and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you. And maybe I'll try, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you. Dive into you.
Hello, what's up, Days friends? Daisy here, and welcome back to another travel vlog. Woo! So we're currently here at Moalboal. I'm with my BYC fam, so they're there. And by the way, we're staying here at Horizons Inn. Yes, guys, it's located here in Talisay, Moalboal. But anyways, we're heading to the beach, so I think we'll just have to walk for like 10 minutes. Layo pa siya, guys. By the way, I'm just wearing a one piece for now, and look at this. I brought my freediving pins and mask. So let's go.
Sasakay po tayo.
Ay, sasakay! Oh my gosh! So we're not going to walk, guys. I thought we're just going to walk. So we have to ride a tricycle like that, guys. Wala mong sakyan, guys.
Oh.
Tricycle. So yes, guys, follow me in this adventure and let's go.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine.
Alright, guys, made it here sa Panagsama. And maglakaw lang may padung sa beach, guys. Kaya doon naman lang siya. Let's go, guys! So I hope na kanang dili lang ko mag-uwan karon, but so far the weather is good. Hopefully magpatuloy siya. Charot, Tagalog. Wow. Good morning, doggies.
Good morning, isang kagat lang.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are.
Sunblock kay basing mapaig na sad ko. Oh my gosh! I think we're ready. And they already have their mask. They rented their mask and snorkel, guys. So if you want to rent a mask here, that costs 50 pesos. Hey guys! So padung nami, guys. I'm with our guide. What's your name, kuya?
Angelo.
Angelo.
Yes.
And Nino. So they will be our guide for today. So let's go, guys!
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else.
to say. Let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, babe.
Hey days friends! Just started swimming with turtles and sardines and it's really nice guys. As in grabe, daghan kag sardines. Pero ako kita ato, inato da kadaghan na sardines, grabe yun. And by the way, sila kay na pictorial pa sila, dara. Wow! It's already 10:13 guys. Wala pa may breakfast. Basta nag-enjoy na gid ko dire. Sila. Oh, sila guys. Anyways, naami sa panagsama. Daghan kayo mga kuandri, mga turtles na naaragid sila sa duol, as in grabe. Malingaw ka guys. I think mobalik gid ko dire kay ganahan ko ambot lang, nice kaayo ang sardines yun. Duol ra kay siya, naarami dito oh, kato na boat. Dito mi swim with the turtles and with the sardines.
Hey there friends, this is Video, PHYDIO, PATCHO, Video Pacho.
Tara guys, let's go na!
Wala pa tayo picture tanan.
Picture ta sa tanan be. Tara de akong mga guides. Say hi guys.
Hi.
Unsay mo name?
Marlon.
Marlon.
Ziad.
Kao?
Angelo.
Nino. Amazing guys, Nino guys. Daghan kay mga pictures na nindot sa kuha. Tanawon niya ako mga pictures sa Instagram. So yes guys.
Aman. Your man.
Good man.
My
Thanks
girl.
guys. Kung mo ari mo Moalboal, I will put the number in the description box kay para makakontak mo nila kay para sila mo guide ninyo.
Anong masasabi nyo sa tide, guys?
Nakakaitim yan, kagaya ko.
Guys, subscribe to Daisy
Subscribe.
and hit the like button. Wow! And turn on the notification. Yeah. Peace.
Yeah.
That's how we do it.
So, alright guys, so we're currently here sa kanang karinderya kay mag-breakfast me. Actually, it's already 11. But kanang ibang gutom na sila, so mukhaon sa lang sa midere. And then after here guys, kay maybe mag-wash up me niya. Mo to me ila Sir Phil kay we will have lunch there. So nagkaon na mi guys. Well, may breakfast. Gutom na kayo. Alright guys, we're back here in our inn, here in Horizon Inn. Horizon Inn, yes guys. So nag-relax lang sa sila. It's already 11:30 and among food kay 12 pa. We'll go to good place. Alright guys, time check. It's already 1 p.m. and we're currently here at the good place here in Moalboal. So it's a small restaurant here. So mo ni siya guys. And hi Sir Phil!
Hello!
Siya mong chef for today. So, ano sa inyong specialty here?
Mostly seafood. Any seafood.
Marami siya lang mga menu. So, they have creamy scallops, mga inana, pasta, noodles, sizzling plates. I don't know if you can see it. But, muna siya guys. It's actually affordable. Let's eat guys! So guys, manakog kaon guys, lami kay lang food diri sa The Good Place. And if you happen to come here at Panagsama Beach or Panagsama diri sa Moalboal, so you should check out this place. It's The Good Place. Hello days friends! So pa-check out nami sa Horizon Inn. So nana mong tricycle guys, we're going to Ronda because mag-tour me with the counselor and yes.
Yes, so
Let's go. Ikaw na.
ako na?
Yep.
And that's what made me fall in love.